Ta-da! We're on Unit 6, Lesson 1. I'm really happy for you people. Let's just get started today. We got discussion, as usual, to start the unit with, and it's entitled The Environment with 3 parts in the lesson. Too many pictures. Now sounds sorry much better. So it says here look at the pictures, then discuss the questions below. We've got 3 titles here, as you can say. A, pollution of the atmosphere, and then B, pollution of the rivers and seas, and then pollution of the land. There is pollution of the brain, of the vision, and lots of kind of pollutions. But this is what we're focusing on, pollution of the environment, things that are substantial or you can actually measure. So or what we're used to in the literature of environment and pollution. So let's go with number 1. What can you see on the left and on the right? Well, I can see some cars here and some factories there, but the common thing between the two pictures is the smoke coming out of both the cars and factories. What is happening to the smoke and gas are actually rising up? And what do you think the result is? Well, um, So what is happening to the smoke and gases? They're actually rising up to the sky. What do you think the result is? Well, basically the result is just a sky full of smoke, something you're going to breathe later on, which is we're going to talk about later. Pollution of the rivers and seas. What can you see in the left and the right? Some organism here and some there's a dry river here on the left side, a sunken ship. It just looks like it's sunk into the sand because there's the level of the water of the sea is just way below that. And not so sure what's more in the picture. But question 2 says, what are the chemicals in the oil polluting? Or polluting? Okay, they're actually polluting the organisms living here, such as fish. I don't know, is this a bird or something? But it's a living being. No, sorry, it's a living organ. So, as you can just try to see here, is just more of uh, like destruction of not only a natural resort, uh, but all. But also more of destruction of the living, uh, kind of, I don't know what to talk about now, animals inside it that lives in it. Now, what has happened to the birds and the fish in the pictures? Oh, they are dead. Okay, I'm so sorry because I stopped the video and I'm back now. I'm just kind of messed up. Okay, pollution of land. Okay, now I'm back on track. What is the plane doing on the left? Well, actually, it's taking off, or probably just flying over this large space of large area of wheat being harvested here. And I don't think it's a harvest method, but it's more of spraying the pests with pesticides through by using an airplane to do so, because it can just actually reach larger spaces. Now, on the right, what's the bulldozer doing on the right side? Well, actually, more of um, trying to putting these kind of chemical. What is this? I'm not gonna call them boxes, but it's just trying to put them underground and bury them. And what will the result be? Actually, this is gonna be very harmful as much as the second picture on the left, but this one on the right is actually more harmful, because if you're going to grow wheat later on the same land, it's just gonna be extremely dangerous to the people who are actually eating the product. And when it comes to the left side, it's very harmful that the pesticides are just pretty much available on the crops that are going to be harvested later on for production, for people to eat it. But if you harvest something in the land, it's just pretty much the same result, but it depends on what you're actually like spraying or burying. That's the difference. Um, anyway, I think that's enough for this session, and we'll see you next time with another one.